Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is AK Subi, AK underscore Subi if you want to follow me on Instagram. Today I'm going to be installing these headlights alongside a collaboration with Subiewoo. Let's get into the install. This is my 2004 Subaru Impreza WRX, also known as a Blob WRX. Today I'm going to be replacing these standard kind of aged headlights with these new ones that I have over here. So let's open them up. Now I got these from over here in Australia, a company named CT Auto Parts. So this is the one that I have open, and we'll just pull this out over here. The packaging is nice and firm, as you can see, and this is them there. So they've got dual projectors alongside halos with some LED DRLs up the front there. So let's get straight into this. The first thing we'll do is open the bonnet, and now we've just got to get the front bumper off. So we'll take off the fender lining on this side, undo the clips there, get the fender lining off, and get the bumper off. Let's do it. Now you just have to get that, and that off. So you've just removed the old headlight from there. Once you get all the wiring out, the new ones come with a set of brackets here. You just have to mount the new bracket from there onto here. So I'm just matching it up the same as the old one. So I'll just take the screws out of there and put that one on there. So after installing this here, you have to wire these two in, but I'm going to wire them straight into the Parker globe here, which means that every time you turn the Parkers on, which is these three lights here, both the halo lights turn on. So let's do that now. Okay, so I have the negative wired into the negative and the positive into the positive. Now I have to connect this, which is the low beam headlight, onto the connectors which are here from the old low beam. So that's the one off the H1 globe, and then that's the one off the housing, the negative there. And then need to plug in, that's those two there, and this one here plugs straight into the high beam globe there. So it's all plug and play. So let's do that now. I do have this bolt here, and the one there, and that's the finished headlight. This is your standard one over here. This is them on. You can see you got the DRLs at the top, the two halos that are wired into the park lights, and then that's a standard one there, so you can see a bit of a difference. So time to get this one in. We'll start off by getting off those three bolts again, and we'll go from there. Okay, so when you get the big box, you get left hand side, right hand side in one. So this is what it looks like open, unopened. So we go pretty much the same as before. You got upside down in there for protection, and you just lift it out. And there it is. Okay, so right now I have both the headlights out, and I just thought I'd do a side-by-side comparison. So one of the main things is on the standard headlight, the lens is actually orange and the globe is see-through or clear. On the aftermarket one, or the SPEC D style ones, you actually need to get orange headlight globe or indicator globe. As you can see in the one I have installed, I already did that in the corner there. Otherwise, back down here, what are the other differences? Obviously you've got your halos and your main projector style ones instead of just the reflector style. You have the projector style. What else is different? Obviously, yeah, the halos and the DRLs. So instead of having one singular park globe at the top there, you have your three DRLs there. So on the back you can see all the wiring here. You got your brackets that's the same on each side, and then this goes into where your original T10 Parker globe went. That connects to the H1 positive there, negative there, and then that just plugs straight into your high beam. And normally there'd be these two wires here that need to be wired in, but I want them to turn on when I turn my Parkers on. That is for the halos themselves, so I want the halos on when the Parkers are on. So they're just directly wired in straight there to save any problems. So now I just all bolt it back up and it'll be ready to go. Okay, so I have it all in here now. I just thought I'd give you a quick walkthrough before it goes in. Ignore this plug here. This plug here is for your fog light. Let's just have it unplugged because I have the bumper off. So the T10 attachment for the Parkers and the halos goes straight in there. Your indicators straight down there. High beam plug straight on, and just there is where the main low beam positive and negative go. You can see the positive is blue and the negative is black as always. So yeah, now just bolt it straight back up. The one thing I forgot to mention both times are these little like nipple thingies. So you just unbolt them from there and there on the original headlight and add them in on the aftermarket ones just there. They just a little 10mm deep socket to go over them, and it gets you on that little nut. See, will it focus just there, and they just bolt straight in. They just stick into the hole which is there and there, which just allows for it to just stick into the headlight, that's all. Into the chassis, I guess you'd say. So yeah, I'll just chuck it all in now. Okay guys, so this is what they look like installed. You can see this is just on my Parker setting here. You can see your DRL, 3 LEDs at the top and the 2 halos. I'll just come across this side and you can see that side, so they are nice and bright just on that Parker setting there, because I've wired the halos into the Parker. So that's just what I'd drive around with them on, like just like that, which is easily doable just by flicking that little switch that's on the top of the Rexes there, that classical switch. Otherwise, if we go to turn the car to accessory, this is what they look like with the stock globes they come with. So they are a bit yellow, which can be seen when I point it out onto the ground there. You can definitely see a bit of a difference, but nothing too major. I'll definitely be upgrading those in a short amount of time. But for now, I'll just turn it back off. That Parker setting is absolutely amazing. For just under $400, definitely something I'd recommend. Okay guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.